would like to introduce our guest for today from Brazil. It's Maria and Matheus.
Hi friends in Brazil, I'm here in Canada.
Hello people, we're happy to be here in Cristylicious.
Did you know that one is one of the famous dessert in Philippines? That's what you call?
Yeah, Ube Halaya.
Good.
In English, Ube.
Here's the ingredients. 1 kilo purple yam, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half teaspoon of salt. For start, let's boil the purple yam for 30 minutes. After boiling, let's peel off the skin to shred it. For this option, I use the grater, but you have the choice of using the food processor. In a medium heat, let's add the butter. Once it's melted, let's add the evaporated milk, followed by the condensed milk. Once incorporated, let's add the shredded purple yam together with vanilla and salt. Turn the heat to medium-low and let it simmer while stirring regularly for 20 to 30 minutes or until it turns into a thick, sticky dough. Now it's look like we're almost done. But remember, this recipe is quite simple, but it requires muscle power and patience. Next, let's grease the lanera with loads of butter. To finish up, let's transfer the haleya into the lanera mold. For toppings, I use the butter for this recipe, but you have the option to use the shredded cheese on top or the roasted coconut tidbits. Let it cool down to room temperature and place in the fridge for at least 2 hours before serving. And now, let's taste our Ube Halaya, Maria and Matheus.
It's very delicious and cream crispy.
Wow.
And you, Matheus?
That's right. O barran is perfect. It's not so sweet. Ele é muito gostoso, não é tão doce.
And forget the likes,
Comment
and subscribe. And visit us in Cristylicious. Thank you so much, Maria and Matheus. Hi to Brazilian. Don't forget to watch Maria and Matheus in our episode of Ube Halaya and Ube Jam. Bye.